Bismillah. I guess it's recording. Yes. Hi, Doug. Thank you so much for taking the time to meet with me today. I'm Hassan, your regional sales rep from Fastenal. I've been looking forward to this meeting since we have had the opportunity to work with one of your locations already, and I'm excited to explore how we can support VicWest at a larger scale.
Thanks, Hasan. I appreciate you reaching out. We're definitely looking for a more streamlined approach across our plans. So understand that Vic West's need present a tailored fast solution, handle any questions or concerns, and discuss next steps, please.
Sure, Doug. Um, So let's start with agenda of our meet today. So we'll be understanding request needs, present a tailored fast solution, handle any questions or concerns you have, and discuss next steps. So bef Great. So before we dive in, I'd like to better understand your current process, just to make sure anything I propose is tailored to your exact needs. Um, can I ask, how are MRO and safety supplies currently managed across your 9 plants?
So that's a good question. It's a bit scattered. Different teams use different vendors, and there is no unified system in place. We basically have no idea who's using what or where.
That sounds like it could lead to some inefficiencies. What kind of challenges have come up because of that?
So for one, we have overstocked in some places and run out in others. Plus, we sometimes reorder the same thing without knowing it's already available at another site.
Understood. And how do those issues or impact overall operations?
It wastes time and money. We're aiming for leaner processes. With some plants running 24/7, downtime isn't acceptable.
That makes sense. So if there was a way to track usage in real time, automate replenishment, and give 24/7 access across all your plants, would that be helpful?
Absolutely, that's what we need.
Perfect. Um, that's where that's exactly where Fastenal comes in. We have helped companies across North America streamline procurement with what we call our Fast Solutions suite. So here's what we propose for VicWest: fast vend machines at key plant locations. These vending machines units provide 24/7 access to critical items and track every transaction by employee or department. Bin stocking services too. We manage your supply bins and restock only what's used, no more over ordering. We also are gonna do integrated reporting dashboards. Your supply chain team gets visibility across all locations to track consumption and reduce redundant spending. And we'd also be focusing on dedicated local reps plus support. We already serve one of your sites and are ready to support you at the other 8. Our local coverage is one of our biggest strengths.
So all of this sounds great, but honestly, it sounds expensive. We already have a tight budget.
Totally fair concern, Doug. Others have felt the same way at first, but let's look at it from a cost control angle. We have found that customers often save 15 to 25% by eliminating waste and duplicate purchases. So would it help if I showed you a real case where we implemented fast vend and reduced supply costs by $60,000 annually?
So no need. I'm not eternally convinced we need vending machines at all locations.
I hear you. Some locations may not need full vending access. That's why we recommend a phased rollout, starting with 2 to 3 high traffic plants, evaluate performance, then scale based on results. Would starting with your busiest plan in Oakville or London make sense?
I've heard mixed things about service levels with national suppliers. What if there's a restocking issue or a tech problem?
Absolutely understandable. Our Fastenal's core strengths is our local support model. We have a branch within 30 minutes of each request plant. That means face-to-face services, not just 1800 numbers. We also assign a dedicated account manager who would regularly, weekly check, do check-ins, which would be super helpful for your team.
So Fastenal is great, but we have been with our local vendors for years. Why change?
Totally fair. Your existing vendors may be doing a good job, but where we add value is in consolidation and data visibility. Right now, your spend is scattered 500K across 500K CAD across multiple vendors with no clear insight. We give you control. Think of it not as replacing vendors, but as elevating your process. Would a pilot help you assess our performance risk-free? What do you think?
This sounds like a big project, and we might need to wait until Q3 to think about it.
I get that. A full rollout takes planning, but we can launch a small pilot in Q2 with minimal disruption. If it works well, we can expand it. That gives you results before Q3 budgeting. Could we maybe start with just your Oakville location for our 60-day pilot?
Let me think about it, but that sounds like a good option.
Perfection. So our last slide here, as you can see on the screen, I'm trying to wrap it up here. So what I'm trying to propose is 24/7 inventory access via fast vend machines, bin management to eliminate overstock, full visibility and control across all 9 plants, local responsive support, a no risk pilot program to prove value. So, Doug, if we can get that pilot started at your Oakville site next month, would that be a first good step?
Yes, I'll be open to that.
Amazing. I'll put together a full rollout timeline and connect with your team by next week. Thanks so much for your time today, Doug. I really appreciate the opportunity to work together.
Always a pleasure. Have a good one.